This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Globalization signifies increasing economic and cultural integrations between different states. It is one of the primary features of the modern world economy and society, built on countries' interdependency and unity of values of diverse nations. Globalization can be illustrated, for instance, by dollarization and global demand for McDonald's products. Therefore, in my opinion, to date, globalization can be characterized by the interchange of products, knowledge, and technical achievements between various states, striving for standardization of economy and law, and the development of foreign commerce. Positive and negative effects. Although the term globalization appeared several decades ago, there is still no ambiguous attitude to this phenomenon. On the one hand, globalization contributes to strengthening the world economy, appropriate resource allocation, the interaction between different countries, and the development of lagging countries due to access to up-to-date technology. On the other hand, there is a risk that it causes unemployment, overpopulation, and climate injustice. In addition, its potential negative aspects include the state's fear of losing sovereignty and traditions due to orientation toward global interests and culture. Thus, globalization has merits and demerits that provide it with admirers and opponents. Counteraction to its negative aspects. Globalization can be more effective and bring more positive results if people counteract its negative aspects. Overpopulation. First of all, I can recommend preparing for population growth. People can develop social protection institutions and labor marketing. Secondly, it is possible to improve the educational system and update the unemployment insurance. It will contribute to decreasing the level of unemployment. Global issues. It would be helpful to support small and medium businesses and lagging countries because orienting toward the world economy causes a risk of developing only large organizations and prospering states. In addition, each country should maintain the patriotic spirit of its population and not allow global tendencies to replace their traditions. Climate injustice. It is necessary to focus more on climate change and the environmental state. For instance, people can develop technology and investment in this sphere to improve their technological capacity and make them more ecologically friendly. Therefore, globalization is a significant phenomenon of the modern world that needs to be thoroughly explored to enjoy its positive aspects and counteract its adverse effects. Did you like this globalization, positive and negative effects sample? To get more works like this one, make sure to check out the free database of academic paper examples at ivypanda.com. You will find thousands of samples for all your study needs, without even having to register.